A volcano in southwestern Iceland erupted on Wednesday, spewing fountains of molten lava with large clouds of smoke billowing above the fissure. Authorities had warned of the risk of renewed volcanic activity in the area just south of the capital, Reykjavik, as studies showed magma accumulated underground. The fiery spectacle underlined the challenges the island nation of almost 400,000 people face as scientists have warned eruptions could happen over and over in Reykjanes for decades or even centuries. In an attempt to prevent further damage, man-made barriers have been built to steer lava away from infrastructure, including the Svartsengi geothermal power plant, the Blue Lagoon outdoor spa, and Grindavik.
If you found value in what you watched, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment down below. We love hearing from you and engaging in conversations. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on these notifications so you never miss out on our future content. And of course, a massive shout out to our incredible community for your unwavering support. It truly means the world to us. As we wrap up today's adventure, remember that we are always open to your suggestions and feedback. What topic would you like us to cover next? Let us know and we'll do our best to make it happen. Until next time, stay awesome, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.